Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. On the last episode of Gil Skillz, as you know, we had actually cut into 3 compressors and took the copper transformer out of them. And this is what we have so far. But we are not done. That's why there's a part 2 of this thing. That's right. We've got 2 more compressors to go, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll go ahead and cut them up now. And once we're done cutting them up, we will go ahead and start the process of getting all this copper out of those transformers, or copper-bearing motors, as some people like to call
them. Show some love and hit that like button. Share this out so everybody can watch. Did you know that I have a second channel? That's right, Gil Skillz Live. That's where I'm doing all of my live streaming. Check it out. You're gonna want to stay until the very end, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of information at the end you may want to know.
A lot of you wanted to see this one all opened up. This is definitely different. We've got some copper tubing there. We have a copper transformer, or a copper bearing motor, excuse me. That's in here. We got the little pump that goes around like so. Same basic concept as these. It's just this one's more laid out a little flatter. Looks like I might have to do a little bit of extra work to try to get that transformer out. There we go. There's that. This one's definitely a little different. It's cool looking. It'll be interesting to see how I can get this apart. Maybe, just maybe, if these bolts come out here, I can pull the transformer out. We'll see what that looks like in just a second here. I might have to hold on to those springs, because I think that might be some keep life right there. So we got some bolts here. I'm going to go ahead and take those bolts out. It looks like there's no nuts on the other end. I'm going to cut these plugs off, and then we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the angle grinders just to cut one of the tops off, and then I'm just going to probably put this in a vise and just kind of either pry the rest out. There's no sense in cutting both ends. So let me go ahead and cut these. This has a little bit of copper in it too, so I'll just kind of put this aside as wire for now. Right. So at this point in the game, let's go ahead and get started and see if we can get the top out of there. All right, good. The windings all kind of stayed intact, which is good. This here is the copper top, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I take all the string and the plastic and all that stuff out of it before I put it in the copper pile. My scrap here takes this stuff as number 2, which is really nice. So as far as the rest of the transformer go, as you can see here, we've got a nice flat surface for the rest. So I'll probably put like a screwdriver in there or something like that, and I'll hammer it all through, and I'll pry the rest out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the tops off of all these, and then we'll address the rest of this in just a little bit. 2. That's quite a bit. Okay. Well, 5 up, 5 down as far as the tops go. So we got all this copper winding right here from the tops alone. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put each one of these in a vise, and I'm going to start prying the rest of it out. So guys, the tough part is already done. We've cut the tops off of these copper bearing motors. So now we need to get the rest out, and we could use good old-fashioned elbow grease for that. So I'm going to use a hammer and a screwdriver to push all of this stuff out. So go ahead and watch a time-lapsed version of that. Yayos! That's 1. 4 more to go. There's what we got, guys. There's all the copper that came out of those compressors. I promised you I would weigh these, so I need to go up next door to my dad's house. He's got a scale that is somewhat accurate, so I'm going to bag all of this copper up right now, head up to my dad's, and get a final tally as far as what the weight is. It took a few minutes also to take out all the plastic that was in these bands. There's a little bit of plastic here and there, but that's not really going to affect the weight count. Those are all in there. But I'm going to go ahead and take these to my father's and get an actual weigh count, and then I'm going to break down the cost versus the benefits of breaking down